Picture this. You click a link in an email, and the page that loads greets you by name. It shows your city, maybe even your website, and a video plays where someone literally says your name. You pause for a second, thinking, wait, did they actually make this page for me? That feeling of being singled out, of being important, changes everything. One of my clients had been banging their head against the wall with flat conversion rates, more ads, better copy, new designs. Nothing worked. Their biggest problem wasn't traffic, it was connection. Visitors weren't feeling special, they were just numbers on a page. That's where I stepped in. I introduced them to what I call the Mirage Page Method. Instead of building hundreds of landing pages, we built one page hosted on my proprietary system. Every time someone clicked through from an email, the system dynamically rebranded the page in real time to that person's details. First name, last name, city, website, even a video greeting them personally. And here's the magic. It works with any autoresponder on the planet. So whether you're using the simplest tool or the most advanced CRM, this system plugs right in. The transformation was immediate. Prospects who would normally skim and bounce suddenly stayed longer. They engaged, they clicked. Conversions jumped by 12% practically overnight. Think about that. If you're running $10,000 worth of traffic a month, that's like adding an extra $1,200 in pure profit without touching your ad budget. Scale that up, and you're talking tens of thousands of dollars in additional revenue every single year, just by making people feel seen. Now, here's the reality. If you don't innovate, you'll stay stuck with generic landing pages that treat everyone the same. And your competitors, the ones who are willing to use technology like this, they'll eat your lunch. But if you embrace personalization at scale, suddenly you're no longer fighting for scraps. You're the one setting the rules. I've built my career creating automations that free entrepreneurs from wasted effort and put money directly into their pockets. And this is just one of them. If you're serious about boosting your profits without boosting your workload, you may want to explore how systems like the Mirage Page Method can do the heavy lifting for you. Because the difference between flat numbers and exponential growth is often just one smart move.